Snore and Snore. This is the camping site. They have all the tents ready. And today we are going to be staying in camp spot number 23. It's a classic tent, so it doesn't come with anything. The only thing that they have are these pads and a light. That's it. No electricity, no cots, no bedding, no nothing. This is where we are going to be staying. And of course, we brought some sprays for the buggies and the sleeping bags. So now let's take a look how this is gonna turn into. This is how it turned out. And yep, I love it.